Are you ready to finally make this year your year, or would you rather watch others succeed? Dear friend, enough is enough. It's simply frustrating. When you've put so much work into your online business only to see very little to no results. You've tried affiliate marketing, only to see a sale here and there. You've tried ranking your site on Google, but it's taken so much time and money to get it ranked. All in all, you've basically tried everything that the experts have told you and just can't seem to break through. And what about creating an information product or training course? It's even more difficult. What if I told you that there was a quick, easy and painless solution to having your own product to sell and not worry about the whole process of creating one in the first place? Just imagine having a simple system that's all done for you, so all you need to do is 1. Download. 2. Edit. 3. Upload. 4. Sell. Well, that's how easy it is when you grab our brand new private label rights product you can proudly call your own. The most lucrative and fastest way to start making a killing in this niche is to sell your own information products. Yes. A product that caters to fixing a painful problem in the format of a training course, ebook and other downloadable products that's convenient for anyone in the world to purchase and access instantly. But creating information products takes too much time and money. You bet it does. And that's the reason why you're not moving forward in your business, is because you end up procrastinating when it comes to product creation. Just the thought of creating a product scares the heck out of you because you don't even know where to begin. And because of that, you end up doing nothing at all. It's not your fault. You see, I've been creating information products since 2006 and have completed 121 products in total. So I know exactly how you feel, because my team and I do it every day. It is our business. Just take a look at the time and money that goes into creating a product. Split the content into 52 parts, which gives you a year's worth of content delivered once a week. Translate the content to other languages, enabling you the power to reach a wider, less saturated market. Integrate the product on your JV partner's sales page as a special bonus or on their download page. Add the product to your paid membership site so you can retain and keep them active, paying members. Repurpose the content into audio or video format. Add more valuable meat to your existing product by adding the content from this PLR product to yours.